Adrian. This is Masako.
Hi.
This is Chopper.
Good morning.
And we're going to continue on with the motorcycle build.
Yes.
We're going to redo the pillion pad, the passenger seat. I tried to do a few weeks ago. I just didn't like the way it turned out. So I'm going to redo it.
エイドリアンとマサコで、チャッパーです。このビデオは、数ヶ月前にパッセンジャーシートを作ったんですけども、それが気に入らないのでもう一度作り直した工程をビデオに収めました。Okay.
Yeah, and also last night we had a beautiful rainbow, and I managed to get that on camera. So
Oh, you did.
I'm going to share that.
Good.
Share that.
昨日セドナでよく虹が見えるんですけど、昨日すごい綺麗だったのでビデオに収めたので、それもビデオに今回収めました。
Yeah, so hopefully you can watch to the end, and we'll try to keep it short.
Yes. Enjoy watching.
So here we have some Chicago screws. If you're not familiar, kind of what we call internally thread. Get an idea of what we got. And one side is like a rivet, which looks really nice. And the other part is the male threads with like a slotted screw head. And then we're just going to put these inside the rivet holes that we made. And should finish this out really nice tonight. So this is a matching pillion to the driver's seat. This will sit along the rear fender of the motorcycle. And hoping that it will match they come in different lengths. I mean, I guess you could probably put some blue Loctite in there or something. I don't think it's necessary. These are going on pretty good. So. And we're going to go all the way around. I sewed it in a curve instead of sewing it flat. That way it won't lose it won't be distorted when you bolt it to the bike, bolt it to the rear fender. And we'll come back and we'll stamp it, and we will go ahead and sand it. Sand it around the edge and then finish the edges. It's all sanded up. We're going to use our homemade leather sealer, and it is beeswax, neat's foot oil, and solvent. Let's really get some on there. With your cloth. Somewhat lint-free cloth. Get it in there. More time. If you use the leather dye, you can't even, after you sand it, you can't even see the seam. Sometimes. Usually you can't even see the seam. It looks like one big fat piece of leather. Beeswax out of the threads and the stitches. And that's it. One very tiny, thin, uncomfortable pillion pad, all finished. Basically, it's just like a pillow, a very thin pillow, and it's going to fit right on the fender. So general idea, probably sit something close to that. I think the pillion will probably be a little bit higher, but you get the gist, the general idea. So these are ready to mount, ready to go.